Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your card details on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Now in order to change the card details, you need to go to the checkout process. So you can explore through products, tap on any product. On the product space, here you can see the buy now button, tap on it. Again select buy now. Now you will be prompted to the confirmation page. Over here you can see the payment method section. If you have saved any payment methods before, it will show up here. Now in order to change the card details, you will have to add a new card. So here you can see the option add a new card, tap on it. Now here you can add any type of new card details, whether it be Visa card, MasterCard, American Express or anything. You can simply enter your card number, your card holder name, your expiration date, CVV code, and you can tap on this save and confirm button to proceed. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to update your card details on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.